Are you ready to use your Stand store to accept coaching calls and make money by coaching customers? If so, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to set up those coaching calls in Stand. To start, we'll log into our account. We'll end up on our homepage and then we'll click on My Store. My Store is where all of your products live. So you'll want to scroll down to the bottom, wherever that is on your screen, and click Add Product. This brings up all the different product types. As you can see, there's lots of different options. We want coaching calls. So we will click right here and there's an option to do book discovery calls or paid coaching. So we'll click on that and then move to the next step, which is to actually fill in all of the info to put coaching calls on our Stand store. So right here is the thumbnail and we have the option to do either a button where it's just a link for people to book a one-on-one call with you, or you can do a call out that gives a little bit more information. So we will choose a thumbnail. So you can choose any sort of thumbnail you want. If you want to just have a calendar icon, that's what Stan defaults to. So you could leave it like that, or click choose image, and then you can select an image from Stan here or upload your own image. I'm just going to go ahead and select one of the photos of myself so that way they know who they're booking a call with. And when you upload it, you have the option to crop it so you can move it around. And when you're happy, you click crop, and that creates your thumbnail photo for your coaching calls. Next, we scroll down to the add text section, and that is where we edit the little info on the side for the coaching information. So by default on this area for the title, they have one-to-one coaching right here. If you're doing something that's very niche, you can always update it. So if I was doing YouTube coaching, I could put something like this. Or if you have a name for it, so let's say YouTube Coaching Power Hour, let's say we have like a little catchy name and then it has the subtitle next. And that for Stan is book a private coaching session with me. And we could just leave it like that if we're happy with that. If you have a really unique value proposition that you want to put here, that is always helpful. You have 100 characters, so you can do that or just leave it book a private coaching session with me. And then the button is book a one-on-one call with me. So you can also leave that, or you can change it. You can maybe make it a little more simple or remove some words so it's a little bit more of a simple button. It's up to you. Once you're happy with what the call out looks like, if you want to do the button or the call out, you move on to the next step by clicking the button that says next. The next page is the checkout page, and this is where you actually edit everything, including the price. You're probably not going to do coaching calls for $9.99, so you definitely want to change all of this up. So here we can select an image that is 920 by 1080 if you have one selected. Again, you choose image, then you select an image that you want to use. So we can just select one maybe that is on Stand Store already and click crop, or upload our own image like we did with the thumbnail before. Then we scroll down to the description, and this is where you want to add all of the info that encourages people to buy, to actually make the purchase and book coaching with you. So we have the description title, and that is right here. And right here it says book a one-on-one call with me. So if you want to make it more specific, you could put whatever your niche is here. So book your YouTube coaching call with me. Or let's just remove the with me and say book your YouTube coaching call. And then we scroll down to edit the body of this page here. And we edit that in this little text box here. So it says, I'm here to help you achieve your goals. You can leave it like this. And if it's a video call, this kind of gives you just an outline. You can also generate with AI if you click this button, and you can briefly describe what the product is, why it's special, and what your audience might get from it. So I'm going to actually type in a little bit here, and then we'll see what it comes up with. So I wrote a little blurb here. I'm going to click generate and see what it comes up with. If you don't want to do that, you can click cancel, but you can also just see what it decides to make for you and whether or not that is useful. So there are some AI tools built into Stan, which is really nice. And this can help if you are having trouble generating some specific text to help your customers understand why they want to book with you. So as you can see here, it actually did a lot, and it really gave me something that was a lot better than this initial body text that they put in there. So I'm going to go ahead and click replace and put that in as my body text. If you don't like it, you can click dismiss, but I'm going to click replace, and then I'm just going to go in and edit anything that I don't like. So you can always adjust this after you have AI create it for you. So maybe you don't have testimonials yet because you're new or you haven't done any coaching calls. So you could just delete that part. And then maybe you don't like the multiple different call to actions down here. So you remove one. basically you just go through and eliminate anything that you don't like, or if you don't want it to be so much text in one little paragraph, you could break it up, make it look how you want to. But if you like how this looks with all the call outs and the emojis, it looks great. Actually, I love that. So we're going to keep it. And then the next thing that we are going to do is move down to the bottom and click the bottom title to edit. So here it says Work With Me 101, and it's kind of continuing that one-to-one that they had on the other titles. So if you want to change this, you would just make it say what you want. For me, I'm actually going to go ahead and copy this, delete it from the text area, and use it as my bottom title. So I'm going to say book your YouTube coaching call and then have that be my bottom title. So it kind of gives them something that they know they need to do. And then the next thing that we can edit here is the call to action button, which is below the date. It's down here. So right here it says book a call, and we can keep that, or we can say book a coaching call and have that as our call to action on the button at the very bottom. That is going to be under both the time they select, the name, the email, and the payment information. So just keep that in mind. That call to action button is at the very bottom of the page. So the next thing we do is to actually work on the price. So $9.99 is probably not what you're going to charge for a coaching call. So maybe you're going to charge $150. So you add that in so it has the correct pricing. You can also do a discount price. I probably wouldn't discount coaching because that is a higher level item, and I personally don't like the discount on coaching, but that's up to you and your business if you need to do that. And then you also collect the info that you need from the customer here. So they default to name and email. If you want their phone number, if you were going to do this over phone call and you need their phone number, you would just click the I to toggle that on, and then you could click the required button to make sure that they enter it. You can also click add field and add multiple other items if you need that. But if that's all you need, the name, email, phone number, or if you don't need phone number, you click the toggle I off and then you click next. And on the next page, we actually choose the availabilities. This is the calendar that's going to show between the bottom title and the info that they have to enter. So this is where you configure the settings of what they're actually going to get and how you're going to meet with them. So you have a couple options here. You can use Google Meet if you select that, and you can connect your Google Calendar. You can also use Zoom Meeting, and you can connect your Zoom and let Stan handle scheduling for you there. You can do a custom location, phone, email if you required their phone number, or you do the default, which is letting the customer pick on Stan, and then all of the information is kept in Stan. So as you can see, they would pick the day, then pick the time, and then when they actually click book a call, that is sent to you, and that's how you schedule it out. If you want to make it really simple and you already have Google Meet or Zoom Meeting, I would use those and have it automatically added to my calendar, but you can also do it through Stan. So they have the time zone here. You can select and find your time zone. You can also set how long the coaching call is. If it's 30 minutes, we set an hour. So we're going to change that to 60 minutes. And then next, you can prevent booking within X hours of current time. So if you don't want to book during a certain time, you can have 12 hours that they can't book. Then next, you have max attendees. If you're doing one-on-one coaching, it would be one, obviously. If you're doing group coaching and group calls, you could add up to 5 people, up to more. It really is up to you. One-on-one coaching, of course, you would have one attendee here. And then you may want to schedule breaks between your meeting times. So if you want time before your meeting, you would have 15 minutes, or you could add 30, 45, an hour. Maybe you need 15 minutes after a meeting to add notes and plan for the next session. It's really up to you how much time you have before and after meetings. Or if you're able to just go straight to the next call, you can do that as well. Then you have the option to book within the next however many days. So maybe you only want to do the next 7 days. So you want them to automatically really book quickly, you could do that. Or if you want to schedule out calls for the next 60 days, 30 days, you can do that. Then here, number 2, you have the ability to select available times. So they kind of default to Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, but you can change that. If you don't want to take calls on Tuesday, you would just click the delete icon, and then Tuesday is no longer on the schedule for you. If you don't want to do Thursday, same thing here. If you do want to take calls, maybe on a day that's not selected, you click that day, Saturday, then you can edit the time. So maybe on Saturday, you only want to take calls from, let's say, 8. So you select 8 from 8 to 10. So you have a very short, limited availability on Saturday. So that is how you would do that. And then Saturday would start to show up on your calendar. You can also block off specific dates by clicking the link at the bottom that says block off specific dates, and you just select the day, and then that will block that day when you select it by clicking save. So now it has blocked time on that day. If you want to select another one, you can change the times that you want to block here as well, or X out of that, and then X out of that again. Once you're happy with your availability selected, you then click publish. So that was the final step. And now we can see our coaching call is available here in my store as a product, and it's listed on our actual Stand Store page. So I'm going to go ahead to my Stand Store and check it out so we can see it up here. If we click book a call, it takes us to that page that we made, the checkout page. So it has our title, the price, all of the information that we created, and our availability. So as we remember, we took off Tuesdays and Thursdays. So those days are not available to book, but we click on Wednesday and then we can select all of these times that we have between 9 to 5. So we have a lot of options there. Then the basic information that it collects is the name, the email, the message to you, and then the address for billing. And then what they do here is they then enter their, so then it shows the price and they have their information to pay. They click book a coaching call and they're set. You're done. You have your coaching client set up. Stan makes it super, super easy to book a coaching call. And this is a great way to do it if you are using Stan. It's a great way to offer something that's a little more high touch, but also high value and gives you a little bit more money for your time than necessarily some of those smaller priced products that you might offer. I hope this video on adding coaching calls to your Stan store was helpful. Definitely check out this video next on Stan.